Hi guys, this video will show you on how to edit PDF in Google Docs. First on the list is by using Google Docs. On your browser, open the Google Docs site and log on to your account. Next, hit blank to start a new document. Click File, then Open, or press Ctrl+O keys on your keyboard. Select the PDF file, then hit Open. When the file is uploaded, you can click the drop-down button beside Open With, and then choose Google Docs. After this, you can begin to edit PDF in Google Docs. Once you are done, hit File and Download as, then choose PDF document to download the file and save it on your PC. Another is by using Google Drive. Open its official site and log in with your account. Click the New button to upload the PDF file that you want to edit. Once the file is uploaded, right-click the file and hit Open With, then connect More Apps. Or, choose an editor that you would like to use. After that, it will jump to the website of that app. If in case you want to edit PDF in Google Docs using your PC, you can try a PowerPDF. Visit the official page of the program using your favorite browser and hit the download button to install it onto your PC. After the installation, launch the software. Open the PDF file that you wish to edit, by dragging the file to the program. Once the file is successfully added, go to the Edit tab and modify the document. To save the changes you have made, hit File and then Save. And those are the simple solutions on how to edit PDF in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.